This is Mark, and he doesn't realize one of his drivers barely avoided getting into an accident because he was distracted while driving.
Who is that?
Not important. What is important is that because you don't have connected solutions in your vehicles, you have no way of monitoring your drivers in real time to make sure they are safe and that all trucks are on time.
Is my driver okay? What happened?
Your driver is fine, but he almost hit a car that didn't stop at an intersection. Installing connected solutions like critical event video cameras, GPS tracking, and collision avoidance systems will help keep your drivers safe, limit your company's liability, and will allow you to train your drivers on how to avoid situations like this in the future. You can even get mobile alerts so you can track everything your drivers are doing right on your phone. You can get alerts from anything from a hard brake to an accident so that you can contact your driver if anything goes wrong. That means this technology is great whether you are in the office or on the go. This type of equipment can be retrofitted to any type of vehicle, whether you are driving an 18-wheeler cross-country or a Ford F-150 to a job site. Click below to schedule a demo with one of our experts to find out which solutions are right for you and your situation.
Hey, I saw that you barely avoided an accident today.
Yeah, I was looking at my phone, and when I looked back up, I nearly hit a car.
Well, the good news is you'll be the new star of our next driver safety training.